Everyone, let's take a quick look at some of the scaffolding tools that's coming to the EventSauce integration for Laravel. I'm currently working on a Laravel integration for EventSauce built by Frank de Jonge, which is an event sourcing package. And how that works is, let's take a quick look at some of the tools we have. So we have a command here to scaffold an aggregate root and its resources. And what this will do is it will build 3 classes by default: an aggregate root class, an aggregate root ID class, and an aggregate root repository. Let's take a look at how that works. So what I'm going to pass in here is the scheduling, full namespace to the class, but we're going to omit the app namespace, which is done for you. So you only need to give the entire path where you want to build the aggregate root. And if we do that, you'll notice that it says that the classes and migration was created successful, and that we can run the migrate command to build the domain message table for this aggregate root. And if we take a look, you can see that we have 3 classes. So we have the scheduling class, which is our aggregate root. Basically, it applies the aggregate root behavior trait from EventSauce. We have an aggregate root ID class, the scheduling ID here, which is an drop-in implementation from the EventSauce class. It basically accepts a UUID by default. And we have a scheduling repository. So this is like your standard go-to repository. You can specify the table name where your events will be stored in. You can specify the aggregate root it belongs to, and you can specify a list of consumers, projections, or other ones here. We have one more. We also have a make command for consumers. And what that will do is real simple, just scaffold a consumer for you out of the box. So let's do that real quick. So you also have to specify the namespace here where you're gonna put it. So it says that the class was created, and here it is. And it's basically a go-to implementation. You can start out like creating methods here which will catch events and attach the consumer to your list of consumers in your repository, and they'll be executed as soon as events are saved from the repository.